Breaking news coming in. Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan has now sought a report from the All India Institute of Medical Sciences where Sunanda Pushkar's autopsy was conducted. Dr. Harsh Vardhan has asked for that report from the AIIMS director directly. This comes shortly after Headlines Today broke the story of how the top autopsy doctor at AIIMS has filed an official complaint with the Central Administrative Tribunal and Health Ministry saying that he was under pressure from the then government, the UPA government, to declare that Shashi Tharoor's wife's death was actually natural.
स्वास्थ्य मंत्री बनने के बाद एम्स के डॉक्टर सुधीर गुप्ता ने अपने प्रमोशन के संदर्भ में हमारे विभाग में एक चिट्ठी दी थी, लेकिन कल टेलीविजन चैनल पर ये समाचार आने के बाद कि उनका कोई स्पेसिफिक आरोप है, मैंने एम्स के डायरेक्टर से इस संदर्भ में डिटेल्ड जानकारी लेने के लिए उन्हें लिखकर भेजा है।
Well, the story has expanded. It's gone well beyond what was perhaps earlier believed to be an administrative problem related to promotions and competition within the top brass at AIIMS. Atir Khan is with us to make more sense of what happens next. Atir, the Health Minister has said that he was aware of the issue earlier, but after he saw the specific allegations made by Dr. Gupta in that complaint, which were highlighted first by us last night on Headlines Today, he had no choice but to ask for a detailed report from AIIMS. Atir.
Well, that's right. This is a very important step in the right direction. We know that now the director of AIIMS will have to come up with the version, will have to give his side of the story, because Dr. Sudhir Gupta has alleged that he was under tremendous pressure to fudge the report, to manipulate the forensic findings. However, he's also at the same time not said that he had compromised with his work, but really it will be very important to find out what was the mail trail between the AIIMS director and allegedly between Mr. Shashi Tharoor. So this finding is going to reveal whether there was any compromise with the report.
Well, it is very crucial to figure out what exactly the internal bickering within AIIMS is all about. Meanwhile, the Delhi police has sought a third opinion in the Sunanda Pushkar case to ascertain the cause of her death. Now, after the contradiction in the AIIMS and the CFSL reports, the Delhi police has asked the Forensic Science Lab to carry out advanced tests to ascertain the role of Alprax in her death. Now, experts, however, say that there are chances that the cause of her death may never actually be known. The FSL has formed a panel of 3 experts to examine the case. Well, Atir is still with us. Atir, this really is a crucial move by the Delhi police, which has now sought a third report.
Well, that's right, Rishika. We have to understand that there were injury marks on Sunanda Pushkar's body.
Absolutely.
However, there was no eyewitness to give a statement or any relative who alleged foul play. So therefore, the police has to totally depend on the forensic reports. Now, there's a contradiction in forensic reports. One says there was poisoning in her body. The other says there was no traces of poison. So therefore, the Delhi police is forced to take the third opinion from the FSL. Now, why FSL? Because it has advanced equipment to carry out these tests, which can find out whether there were whether the medicine, whether the concoction of Alprax and some other medicine turn into metaboloids. So this is very important to ascertain the cause of death in the absence of any statement.
Right. Thanks, Atir, for that live update. This, of course, is a huge story for us here on Headlines Today. We're going to continue to track it through the course of the day, bringing you live updates and breaking news on the developments as and when they happen. You'll catch it first here on Headlines Today.